Hi guys, this is Rupal here and welcome to my channel Roop's Book Love. Now today I am going to discuss my TBR for the month of June. Yes, I don't usually do this. I just pick a book at random, like whatever I like, and I pick that book to read. But this time I thought that why not make a list of books and then read it for the next month. So yes, I have decided to read about 5 books. Yes, 1 month 5 books. And all the books I'm going to discuss, that which books I'm reading and why have I picked them up. Yes, so I'm a romance reader and obviously my TBR would contain romance books also. So the first book that I had picked up to read for the month of June is You Had Me at Hola by Alexis Darla. Now I picked up this book from a recommendation on Goodreads. Goodreads have every year taken up the award thing. They have a Goodreads Choice Award in which there are some books are nominated and we have to vote for that, and based on that they give a award to the book. Now this book was nominated for 2020 Goodreads Choice Award in romance section, and based on the stars and reviews I have picked up this book. On Goodreads it has gotten about 3.7 out of 5 stars. So the main concept of the story is a love story, like from enemies to lovers. That is what I understand from the synopsis. It is there is one lead heroine who is a very famous person, but then she gets tied up in some tabloids and she's everywhere, and she has to find a new work to make a new identity to make herself impressive for the community. And there is one hero who is playing opposite her in the same film, and then the hero has to show that he has to come out of some things that has done in his past. So this story, I think this story would be from enemies to lovers, and I think I'm going to like reading this book. Now the next book is an ARC. ARC is something that an author gives the reader to read the book and review before it comes into the market, or in the initial period when the book comes into the market. So that is Our Love Story by Rohit Sharma. I got this book about 7 or 8 months ago, but I did not come around to read it. But then I thought that why not read this book now and then give it for the review. The book is a love story. Yes, of course it is a romance book, so it is a love story. It is a love story about a hero and a heroine. The heroine is a model, but she is tied up, fed up with the sexual harassment and the other problems that she is facing. And there is one hero, when she decides to do suicide, and when she goes to do the suicide, a person saves her, and that person is a very rich tycoon, but he has his own secrets. So yes, let me see how this book goes, and I'm going to review this book for the ARC, and I'm thankful for the author Rohit Sharma to give me this book. Two romances, and that is what I can do in a month. So now I have decided to try something different, and in this different thing I'm going to read a memoir. Memoir is something that a person writes. It's similar to a biography, but the person has written as if they had enacted those scenes themselves, and they had written it from their experiences. The famous book, which I am sure everybody must have heard, is The Becoming by Michelle Obama. Michelle Obama has written this book during her tenure as the First Lady. She was the first lady, black lady in the United States, and she has published this book in 2018. We usually think that the celebrities and the politicians have a very lavish and rich life, and they're very stable and they're very happy in their life. But now I think that Michelle Obama is breaking this bubble for us, and she has described every problem, everything that she might have faced during her tenure as the First Lady. So I've heard a lot about this book. Even Goodreads has given us 4.5 out of 5. So I think I'm going to cover this book and read this book. I have an ebook for that, and I'm going to read it from that. Two romances, one memoir, and now I'm going to start with a classic. Yes, I know, I'm going to start with a classic, and the classic is Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. No, please don't look at me like this. I know I should have read this classic long time ago, but I did not get around reading it. Well, I'm usually not into classics. I write the book, I like the book, I like the stories, but then the language is quite tough. and the setup is also quite backward. I cannot logically grasp those things. But then there is something that which is so beautifully written, then I have to read these things. Wuthering Heights is all about Heathcliff, a person, and their the owner, a tenant which is over there. The tenant's name is Mr. Lockwood. Mr. Lockwood has to stay at the Wuthering Heights building for a day and for a night, and in that course they understand that what happened. This is a story about love, revenge, and what happened that led to love and then it led to revenge. So yes, I am going to read this book and I will review it for the next month also. In this lockdown, I had become quite conscious about my health, the weight thing and then the eating thing, and I'm just focusing on eating healthy. But now I don't know anything about it because that is not my field. So I thought that why not read a book related to health, and for that I am going to read Don't Lose Out, Work Out by Rujuta Divekar. In India, people know Rujuta Divekar as the nutritionist for Kareena Kapoor Khan, and I have been following her blogs and her videos and everything, and I think she writes really good, and when she relates that, connects those things to the science, that is where she gets me. In this book, she has talked about gym, what are the gym exercises, yoga exercises, and all the other different types of exercises, and she has also discussed the science, which exercise works in which way and how can we use those things. She has also talked about a particular diet that a person needs to follow, whether they need to follow the diet or they don't need to follow. So all these things are covered in the book. I'm really excited to read this book because I wanted to know that whatever I am following in my daily routine, is it right or not. So yes, covering up all, I'm going to read this 5 books in the month. 2 are romantic, 1 is memoir, 1 is classic, and the other is related to health. I'm not usually this, around the genres. I usually stick to 1 or 2 books. But let's see if I can cover these books in the month. I can read them and I'll review them. Of course, I don't like to give a bad review about a book. So I'll give a quick review in a video. And I think that will help. Firstly, I have to make sure that I read these books. Okay, so that is it for the TBR of June. Do subscribe my channel for next video if you are looking forward to the reviews of this book, and also press on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the book. Other things, I also put the reviews on my Instagram and my blog. Find those links in the description below also. And if you have any comments related to what other books should I read or what other videos should I follow to understand the process of taking the video and discussing the book review, then do tell me in the comments below. So yes, see you with the next video.